Hello everybody, your Destroyer64 here. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to instantiate stuff. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to create an empty game object. Now let's rename this empty game object launcher. That'll be a launcher for right now. Okay. So instantiating objects just means the exact same thing as shooting objects. So let's write a script for this thing. Let's call it, what should we call it? We should call it shoot. Let's make it a JavaScript and create an add. Yes, I am using Unity 4 shoot.js. So, oh my god. Okay, so we're just gonna declare a couple of variables. Let's declare this one called ball. Let's make this a rigid body. Let's make another variable called speed. And let's make it, actually we don't want to make it a data type, we just want to make it 20. So in the update function, if you recall from the last video, we did input. So if we do input dot get button down, let's make it jump, and then let's do closing. Okay, so we are gonna declare another variable inside the function. We'll name this variable var instance, and then we'll make it a rigid body, and then we'll set that equal to, and then we want to instantiate, and we want to instantiate the ball. So let's do position and transform dot rotation. And now okay, so now we got it to shoot something. So if you recall from one of the previous videos, we made a prefab called the box. So you could just make another one. You could just go cube and then just add a rigid body to it by going to component physics, rigid body, or also you could just go add component physics, rigid body by that. So let's just assign this, and now let's see what happens. And we don't got the camera looking at us, so let's align it with the view. Okay, so now it got to shoot, but as you could tell, it's just going straight down, and we kind of want it to go somewhere. Let's actually create directional light because it's kind of dark. Okay, so it's just going down, and we want it to actually go somewhere except down. So let's go back to our script. Let's go to instance.velocity because we're going to add a velocity to it, which actually makes it go somewhere. And then let's do transform dot transform to direction. Let's make a vector 3. Let's go to 0, 0, then let's do the speed, which is 20. Now let's try it. Okay, let's make the camera align with the view. And now it actually goes forward. So that's basically it in this video. I'll see you next video.